My warm greetings to the students of Class 1 Cbse. Children, I heartily welcome you to this English class. In the previous session, we had done a lot of things. We've completed first chapter and we discussed question answers. We discussed grammar also, difficult words also, lot of things we did, right? Comic strips also. So we had lots of fun. Now, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 2. Yes. So, what is the name of chapter 2? It is friendship. Friendship. What is friendship? What do you mean by friendship? You all have friends, isn't it? All have got one, two, many best friends, isn't it? We love to meet them. We love to talk to them. We love to share things with them, isn't it? During these days, you must be talking on phones also, right? Because you can't meet each other. Really painful, isn't it? Yes. So today we will see what is there in this chapter. All right. So, what is written here? First, you should learn how to read this word. F, fur. Friend, 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 sure, you know that. Ship, friendship, friendship. The name of the chapter is friendship, friendship. Repeat after me. Friendship, yes. So, this chapter is actually a poem. It is a poem. We call it as poem also, but the correct pronunciation is poem. E, we don't consider E when we spell the correct pronunciation. Alright. So poem is also correct. I'm not saying that it is wrong, but the correct pronunciation actually it is pronounced as poem. Alright? Poem or poem. Fine? Yes. So friendship is a chapter which is actually a poem. Fine. Now, what is a poem basically? What is it? Yes. Poem, if you will see, it's generally written in short sentences. One sentence will have 4 to 5 words. Alright. Then it will be continued in the next sentence. So poems have got stanzas, stanza 1, stanza 2, like this. Alright. So small sentences are framed to write a poem. Alright. Okay. So how do we write a poem? How do we choose a topic? What do we write in poems? Basically, poem can be based on nature. Nature means the things which are around us. Trees, mountains, river, isn't it? Hut which is around you, or anything, birds, animals, people, right? So all things come under nature. Then comes festivals. You can write poems on festivals also, places also, people also. So poems are written with a theme. Poem should have a theme. Here the poem has got a theme. The topic is friendship. Friendship, right? Okay. Now, now if you see this page, if you open the chapter 2, you will see a poem. It starts with a poem. And it is written, read the poem and note the words which sound the same. Which sound the same sound. Alright? You have to read. You need not to write. Don't write. You have to just read. So, how to read this poem? An apple can taste very Nice. Nice. Try. Try. Try a. Don't read a. Try a bite or a s l slice slice. Try a bite or a slice. If it's, this is read as it's. If it's red or if it's green. If it's red or if it's green. See the picture? If it's red or if it's green. It will taste good. But when? If it's clean. So this is CLEAN, clean. Clean. It will taste good if it's clean. So always eat fruits after cleaning it properly. Clean the fruits, then have it. Never ever have fruits as it is. Alright? Yes. Then it tastes good. It can be red, it can be green also. My grandma. Grandma is grandmother. My grandmother says, what? An apple a day always keeps the doctor away. What grandmother says? An apple a day. Repeat after me. An apple a day always keeps the doctor away. Now, what you have to see in this poem? You have to find out the words which sound the same. Same sound. Like, see the words which are green in color. NICE, nice. Ice, sound s. Slice, nice. Slice, same sound, right? Green, clean, same sound. Yes. Day, away. So the rhyming words, they are called as when they sound the same. When the words sound the same, we call them as rhyming words. Rhyming words. Yes. So here is the list. Nice, slice. Green, clean. Yes. Day, away. So 1, 2, 3. 3 rhyming words are there on this page. Alright. So you have to practice reading. Don't write. Not required. Only you have to read. And you have to find out rhyming words. So rhyming words are here. Alright. Now let's go to the next page. So here, what have you learned? Yes. Clean the fruits before you eat. Then only it will taste good. Alright. And what is the lesson we learn from this poem? An apple a day always keeps the doctor away. That means if you eat apple daily, one apple if you eat daily, you will not be sick. You will not fall ill. So doctor will be always away from you, isn't it? So that is the meaning. Yes. Now here is the chapter actually. So here also just give a reading practice. Alright, you have to read and read and read. That's it. So here it's written, I had a box of crayons. I had a box of crayons. These are crayons. See, You also have crayons? You also draw, you also paint, no? Yes, these are the ones. So we call them crayons. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight, and new. How are the crayons? Crayons are shiny, straight, and new. New, yes. I lent. Lent means gave to others. I lent a friend one crayon. So the boy says, I lent a friend one crayon. He gave one crayon to his friend. That is lent. So out of these many crayons, he gave one crayon to his friend. And oops, it broke in two. He gave one crayon and it broke into two pieces. Yes. So what was the reaction given by the boy? Oops. We say no when we uh, get surprised or when we get a shock. What do we say? Oh, oops, ouch. We say all these words. So here the reaction is oops, like this. The crayon broke into two. He gave one crayon. It had broken into two pieces. Yes. Then my friend said she was sorry. So she said sorry. But I said I don't care. When he gave one crayon to the girl, it broke into two pieces. So the girl was sorry for that. So she said sorry. But he said, I don't care. Don't worry. It's okay. Because now we both can color with one crayon. We can share. Now one crayon has become two crayons. It has broken into two pieces. So he said, it's okay, fine. Half you use, half I will use. So that is the bond of friendship, isn't it? We share things with our friends, right? So that is the beauty of friendship. All right. So he says, it's okay. We will share this one. Half you use, half I will use. So here the poem finishes. Read two, three, four times. Read the poem and practice it so that you will also learn to read. Yes. So here the rhyming words are new, to, new sound, new, to, then care, share. Share means give your things to others as a help. So share. You can share your tiffin. You can share your notebooks. You can share your crayons as he did, isn't it? So there are many things you should not share that you have to think. Everything can't be shared. Like comb, you can't share. Towel, can't share. Toothbrush, you can't share. So there is a list of things that you should not. But these are the things that you can share with your friends. So rhyming words are new, to. See, same sound. Then care, share. So in the previous page, you had three rhyming words. You can see, right? And here you have two rhyming words. 3 plus 2, 5 rhyming words altogether to write. Rhyming words you have to write. And these are the words. These words you have to learn and write. Learn it. Learn the spellings, then write. Alright? What are these words? 8 words are there. Crayons, shiny, straight, lent, friend, sorry, care, share. Right? So poems, no need to write. You have to write these 8 words, and I'll just tell you how to do this. How exactly you have to maintain the notebook, I'll let you know. What you have to do is, suppose now this is your notebook. This is the page, suppose, right? So you will start the chapter like this. You will write lesson number 2, then you write the name of the chapter, friendship, all right. Then you give a heading. Here you write heading, rhyming words, yes. Then you start writing. In one page you have 4 rhyming words, and other page you have got 2. So 1 you write down, then 2 you write down, then 3 you write down, like this. 4, then 5, then 6, right? 5 or 6, including both the pages. Then give heading, learn and write. Learn and write. Then write first number, first word, then first word is crayons, so you will have to write crayons, then second word, like this. 8 words are there. So your notebook will look like this. All right, no need to write poems. Don't write. It is for reading purpose. And all these words you have to learn. That is must. Then post it in the group. All right. So that's about today's session, and hope you understood. It's clear to you. Practice it, practice well, and practice reading also and writing also. All right. So have a nice day. Bye bye.